name is Mrs. Croft, and I am here to teach you about wants and needs. You know, I was at Walmart the other day, and I saw this toy, this ball here, and can you see what's happening when I throw it? It keeps changing color. I don't know exactly how it works, but when I saw it, I had to have it. I was like, I need this. But let me ask you, do you think this is a want or a need? Let's talk about wants and needs today. A need is something people must have to live. Okay? Something people must have in order to live. Can you think of things that you need? Things that you must have in order to live? I have some things here. Do you think you need this to live? Does it help you breathe, stay alive? No? Okay. What about? Oh, okay. So food like fruit, like this apple here. These are apples. That is a need. That is something that we need, something that we must have in order to live. Okay, so we'll put that right here with things that I need. Okay, do you see anything else here? Oh, milk. So things, not only things to eat, but also things to drink, like milk and water. Are those things that we need? Yes. We need things like milk, water, and food in order to live. Okay. Now let's talk about things that we want. A want is something people would like to have. Okay? Put that on this side. A want is something that people would like to have, but they don't need it in order to live. Like this ball. It's really cool and really fun, and I want it. So, is this something that I would like to have? Yes, it's a want. Okay. What about this teddy bear? Do you think this teddy bear is a need or a want? That's right. This teddy bear is a want. I want it. I don't need it, but I want it. Something that I would like to have. But if I didn't have it, I would still be okay. I would be able to survive with my food and my milk and other things that I need to eat, drink, etc. Okay? Okay, so now let's practice with a sort. I have some items here that we're going to talk about, and you are going to help me decide if they are wants or needs. Okay? So, what do you think? Let's start with this right here. What is that? I see the word electricity, and I see this little plug right here, and I think about how at my house I need things like the light in order to see and cook. So yes, I think electricity. What do you think? Do you think it's a need or a want? That's right, it's a need. At least here where we live in this part of the United States, we need electricity in order to live. Let's see, what else can we find on here? I see, what's this one? This one down here. Candy. Do you think candy is a need? Something that you, other side, something that you must have to live? Or is candy something that you want? Something that you would like to have? Well, I know it's something I can eat, but when I eat it, I don't feel full, and I don't always feel very good. I sometimes feel tired. So actually, candy, even though it's a food, it's really a want. That's right. It's a want. Okay. Let's see. What else could we do? Ooh, I see right here we have home. And I drew a little house right there next to it because the welcome mat helps you remember that you're walking in a door, but it didn't show a picture of the house. A home could be anywhere where you have shelter, a roof over your head, okay? It could be an apartment or a house. You can live with other people, but a house, a place to keep you safe and dry. Is it something I need or something I only want? A house. That's right. It's something I need. Okay. Oh, look down here. I see a cluster of items that have been grouped together. Let's see what these say. We have bread, vegetables, and water. Well, looking up at my pictures here, I see over here there are fruits like apples, and over here, things like toys. So where do you think this goes on our chart? Bread, vegetables, and water. Is it a need or a want? That's right. This is also a need. Things that I need in order to survive. I need food, water, and shelter. What else? Why don't you look at this for just a minute and think about where you would put the rest of these items? What about this one down here? TV, television. Is TV something I need or something I want? That's right, it's something I want. Very good. Okay, so now that we have gotten the idea behind some of these, we are going to practice speaking about needs and wants. Okay, so I have some buckets here, and we're going to start with our chart. We're going to start with these buckets. Kind of scooch back. Okay, so this bucket says, to live, I need, let me do that again with my finger, sorry friends. To live, I need, so thinking about my chart, which one could I use to finish that sentence? I know it's something I need, so it's over on this side. I could say electricity, or home, or one of these foods that I mentioned. Okay. I could also talk about fruit, like apples. Okay, so let's try that together. Starting with needs, okay. I'm going to start with this one. Home, okay. Another good word for home is shelter, okay. It's a place that keeps me safe, okay. So let's see. Using my bucket. To live, I need a home or shelter. Okay, now you try it. Okay, let's say it together. To live, I need a home or shelter. Okay, let's count that on our fingers. Keep it right here. Okay. To live, I need a home or shelter. Okay? Can you say that with me? To live, I need a home or shelter. Okay, one more time. To live, I need a home or shelter. Okay, can you say it by yourself? Ready? To Very good. That's very, very good. Okay, let's try one more with the word needs. Okay, we could do electricity, or we could pick one more from our chart here. Something else that I might need in order to live. Oh, look down here. Do you think that we need clothes and shoes? I mean, I wouldn't want to go outside or go to school without these things, would you? Okay, so let's try our sentence again. Okay, so let's practice together. To live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay, let's try that again. To live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay, great. Okay, now let's try counting that on our fingers while we speak. Okay. To live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay, that was another seven-word sentence. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? To live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay? I try to get it close where you could see it. Okay, ready? To live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay, to live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay, now you try it. Ready? Very good. Excellent. Okay, let's try the other side of our T-chart here, graphic organizer. The other side is wants. Okay, remember, a want is something people would like to have, something they would like to have, but they don't need it in order to live. Okay, so remember, some examples are candy, other side, candy, and television or TV. Okay, so using these right here, thinking about my next sentence. Here's my next bucket. Okay, this one says, something I might want is. Okay, so starting here with candy. Something I might want is candy. Something I might want is candy. Ready? Something I might want is candy. How many words in this sentence? That's right, only six. 6 words. Okay, let's try it together. Ready? Something I might want is candy. Your turn. Something. Very good. You did it very well. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. Okay, so let's put candy in our bucket here. And let's try another one. Something I might want is TV, television. Okay, so let's try that. Counting on our fingers. Yeah, there we go. Something I might want is TV. Okay, now TV is 2 letters that go together and they stand for the word television. Okay, so that's why I'm counting that on 1 finger. So how many words in this sentence? Let's check it again. Something I might want is TV. Something, oh my gosh, have I been? Okay, good. Something I might want is TV. Okay, so that's 6 words in that sentence. Okay, it's your turn to try by yourself. Ready? Something. Very good. Very good. And you're right. Something we might want is TV. We don't need it in order to live, but we do want it sometimes. Okay? So, now that we've been practicing speaking with these sentence stems, we are going to actually practice writing them. Okay? So, you're going to pick one thing that you would like to write about, one thing that you need, and one thing that you want. Okay? So, needs, we did a sort together, so you think about the things that were on the needs side or the wants side. You could also use some of these items here, like, for example, Legos. Do you think that is something I want or something I need? That's right. It is something I want. It's a toy, just like these other 2 things up here. Okay. Over here, remember, you could talk about fruit or apples or even milk. Okay. 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 So getting my notebook out. Hopefully you have paper at home. If not, it's okay. But just to practice writing, this is very important. Okay, we're going to practice today. Today's date is 4/27/2020. Okay, so I always write the date at the top, and next to it I write my objective. Today we're learning about needs and wants. Okay, I'm going to give you a minute to write that down. If you need to pause to finish writing, you can. Just click pause and then you can click play again. Okay, so I'm going to divide the page in 2 parts. Okay, 1, 2. I'm going to use the same sentence that I practiced speaking, if I can find it. Yep, right here. The same sentence from my bucket. To live, I need. Okay, so we're going to use that and we're going to write it in our notebooks right here, starting with the word to. Okay, to live, I need, and we're going to think of one thing that we need. We're going to keep writing. To live, write the word live right here. Ready? To live. Live. Okay. Okay. To live, what's the next word? I. Very good. So looking right here, here's the word I. To live, I. To live That's right, need. I need. Let's write that word right there. Okay, do you see it? Need. To live, I need. Now, I see here that there's a little bit of a space or a blank where I can write a word. Thinking back to things that I need. Well, I know that in my bucket here, I have a home or a shelter. I also know, based on the things around me, that I could also write about things like fruit. I could be specific and write about apples, like this apple right here. Okay. Or I could write about something like milk. Okay. So, I know that I practiced speaking. Oh, remember this one? I did practice speaking about needing a home or a shelter, but you know, I really like this one, thinking about having to go to school without these things. Oh, so embarrassing. But what if I said, to live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay, I'm going to write that. You can write that with me, or you can choose a different one. If you want to choose something else, pause the video on words like apples or fruit or milk. Okay? Okay, let's write together. To live, I need shoes. Put that right here. To live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay, I'm going to write that right here. Clothes. Okay, notice I started my sentence with a capital letter, uppercase T, to. Okay, I have finger spacing, and I ended my sentence with a punctuation mark. Here's my period. Okay, let's read it. Good writers always go back and read. Let's check. To live, I need shoes and clothes. And since I'm learning about this word need right here, see it's in my objective, I'm actually going to put it inside a box. Okay, now I need to draw a picture that goes with my sentence. So I'm going to draw some shoes and I will draw some clothes. Okay, so let's see, some shoes. Shoes for my feet. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to draw, how about like this? There's the part for my foot. There are the laces. There's the bow. There's one shoe. Remember, 2 feet, 2 shoes. I'm going to draw another oval. Okay. Draw the hole for my foot. draw some lines for the laces. There's the toe, kind of like mine has the little toe part right there. Okay. There's the shoelaces. Okay, now I drew those. I'm going to label them so that my readers know what these are. So there's my arrow. I'm going to write the word shoes. I'm not sure how to spell it. I can look up here at my sentence, or I can look at my source right here. Shoes. Okay, good. Now, what else do I have to draw? If you can't remember, let's go back and check our sentence. Let's see. To live, I need shoes and clothes. Clothes. Looking at this, it's kind of hard to see, but oh, clothes. Clothes, like a shirt, right? Okay, I could just draw a shirt, right? Okay, shirt's pretty easy. Maybe some sleeves. Maybe, okay, there's the part for the neck. Okay. Is that a shirt? It's not great, but it's okay. I don't have to be a perfect artist to draw a picture to show that I know an example of clothes. Okay, maybe another example might be some pants. Okay, drawing some pants here, like jeans. Okay, clothes. Okay, so let's go ahead and label our picture with the word clothes. Okay, I'm going to draw arrows. I'm going to write the word. Here's the word for my sentence. Okay, I'm going to write that word again right here. Clothes. Clothes. Okay. Okay. To live, I need shoes and clothes. Okay, there are my shoes, there are my clothes. Okay, let's look down here. We're going to write one more sentence. The other thing that we learned about today are things that I want. Oh, I want it, but I don't have to have it. But things are cool sometimes, and if you have enough money, you can get the things you want, okay? So, let's see, remember, a want is something people would like to have, okay? So, let's see. Looking back at my bucket here, sentence is, something I might want is, ooh, this is easy to draw, candy. Or, if you don't want to do one of the ones that we talked about, you can choose something else, like a toy, teddy bear, or maybe some Legos. Okay, pick whatever you would like. I'm going to write about candy because I know I can draw this, okay? Okay, so remember, we're talking about needs and wants, and now we already wrote about needs up here. Something I need to live is shoes and clothes. So down here, I'm going to write about something that I want, okay? Something I might want is candy, okay? So let's write that together using our sentence starter here, okay? I'm going to use this word something. I'm going to start with a uppercase S, capital S, something right here, okay? Ready? Let's write. Something. Okay, what's the next word? I. Something I might, like maybe I want candy, okay? So that's the word might right here, okay? Might, okay? Let's write that right here, might. Something I might want. Okay? Want. Something I might want is what's that word? That's right, candy. Candy. Something I might want is candy. Let's write that word right here after the word is. Candy. Candy. Okay. Looking back at my old sentence, I remember I need to end it with good punctuation. So I'm going to put, I might put zoop, exclamation mark this time because I'm excited about. The thing about wants is they're usually things that are exciting, like television and a tablet and toys and candy, okay? We don't need them in order to live, but it's things that we want, okay? So something I might want is candy, okay? This would be pretty easy to draw. This candy here looks like a lollipop, so I'm going to draw that. I'm going to just draw a circle. Okay, draw a circle. Okay, it's not perfect. Maybe draw a swirl. And a stick. Okay, so now we do the label. Here's the word candy again. Okay, I'm going to write it right here. There's my arrow. When I label, I point to a picture of something and I name it. Like this right here is an example of candy. Candy, okay? Very good. Okay, so if you do not have paper at home, it is okay to practice with me in your head, or you could practice tracing it with your finger on the table, okay? But we're practicing our sentences. Let's go back and read this one more time, okay? Ready? Something I might want is candy, okay? Very good. Okay, so one last thing that we can do together is talk about what happens when people must choose. For example, the way that we get the things that we want and the things that we need here in our culture is money. We have money. Usually mom and dad have to work at a job, and then with their job they can earn money, and then they choose to do different things with their money in order to get the things that they want and the things that they need. Which one do you think is the most important? Let's think about that. For example, let's say that I need milk. If I don't get more milk, this is gone, ran out, and my kids are going to be hungry and they don't have enough milk for their cereal. So I'm going to have to go to the store. And this milk here at this store is $2. $2 for this milk. Not bad, right? Well, unfortunately, remember the ball that I saw earlier when I was at Walmart? Well, this ball is $5. Guess what? I have $5. Yes, I have $5. I can get this. Oh, uh-huh, is what I really, really, really want. Ah, yes. But I only have $5. I only have $5. So if I need milk, I have to give $2 to get the milk, right? Okay. So, I had $5 and $2 are gone for the milk. How much do I have now? I only have $3. I can't buy this anymore. But I really, really want it. But you know what? My family really needs the milk. And remember, a need is something that people must have to live. Do we have to have this to live? No, it's just a toy. And yes, it's cool. I mean, it changes color, right? But you know what? I know what I can do. I can choose to spend $2 on milk, and then I have $3 left. And I can save my $3, and I can wait maybe 2 weeks, maybe 1 month. I can wait. And then when I get some more money after working a little bit longer, then I can go back and buy my $5 toy. Does that make sense? Okay, so people must choose what they do with their money. And remember, we have to always think about what we need first, okay? Things that we need are things that we must have in order to live, okay? Need, something people must have to live, okay? And then after we have spent money on things we need, then we can think about things we want, okay? A want is something people would like to have, but they don't need it, okay? So it was really great. Thank you so much for talking with me today. I hope you learned a lot about needs and wants, okay? I hope you learned how to practice saying a sentence and writing a sentence about things that you need to live. And I hope you also got to practice speaking and writing a sentence about something that you might want, okay? If you would like to share anything that you wrote with me, please feel free to send it to me. My Knox County Schools email address is ashley.croft@knoxschools.org. I love you guys. I miss you. I'll see you in the fall.